I think you're going to be okay. This shouldn't be too difficult. It really is a pretty simple process. So what I sent you in that email is a link to download the zip file of all of the photos that you uploaded that are new. So whatever photos that you uploaded yesterday that were additional onto the ones that I did last week, I have taken all of those folders, photos A, photos B, C, and D, and I've put them into one big folder called New Photos Resized, and I've resized them all down to be a maximum width of 900 pixels, which is a good size to fit in a standard browser. So you'll notice that all of these file sizes are kilobytes, not 19 megabytes, which is very good for loading pictures in a gallery online. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to download that zip file. It's called newphotosresized.zip, and I've just done it here. I've got it right on my desktop. And you want to open up a browser. So let's do that. Doesn't matter which one you have. I'm using Safari. And you're going to go to the dashboard, which is www.coatry.ca//wp-admin, and you're going to log in with your credentials. I think the username is Coatry, and the password, I believe, is 4776 Hawaii, HAWAII. Yes. So try that. I'm pretty confident that's what it is. So log in. And if you'd like, you can create another tab. So I'm not sure what browser you're using, but you can just go File, New Tab, or I think you can just hit Control T on your keyboard and just go to www.coatry.ca and then hit Enter. So this is just so you can see the front end of the site, and obviously the page we're changing is called Gallery, so that's going to be right here. So click on that. Right now this is what you've got. So what I'm going to show you tonight is just how to, the reason I'm asking you to upload the photos is because you've got a bunch of different types of pictures, and I really have no clue what you want to call the gallery. Some are bathroom shots, some are this lawyer shot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to upload the photos and create separate galleries for each category. Right now I've got bathrooms, kitchens, and things like that, custom cabinets. If you'd like to add photos to these, I'll show you how to do that, and I'll also show you how to create a new gallery. So in your dashboard, everything happens over here in this little tab called Gallery. This is a plugin that I've used, and it's very, very simple to use. So you're just going to click on that, and it's going to take you to this window right here. So over here on the left hand side is the drop down for this, and you're going to see that there's Add Gallery or Images, Manage Gallery, Albums. So we're going to start out with Add Gallery and Images. And what we can do is, right now, these are all the existing galleries that we've created. So Pool, Deck, Radiant Heat, you'll recognize these. Indoor Pool, Finished, House Edition, all of these are your existing ones. So if you would like to add any photos to your existing galleries, what we're going to do is, say, I know that you've got one photo up there that's for bathrooms. So I'm going to select bathrooms, and you can upload images two ways. You can either hit Select Files and go in through this little window here to find the file, or what I always love doing is just moving this window away for a second, bringing up the folder, and just identifying which pictures I want. So I know for sure that this is a bathroom photo. So what I'm just going to do is drag the bathroom photo right into this window here. And what it says is it's loaded it up on deck here. It hasn't actually uploaded it yet until you hit the Upload Images button. And the reason for that is so you can have a chance to change the gallery if you'd like. You don't have to go to the bathrooms. Maybe you made a mistake there. And you can also add more images. So you can take, say for instance, I want to take these three here, and I'd like to, I don't know if I've shown you how to do this, but on your computer you can actually hit Control Tab, and you can tab to your browser, so it's a little bit easier. But you just drag these three images in here, drop them, and you can see that they're lined up to be uploaded. Now obviously these are kitchens, so we don't want them in the bathrooms gallery, so we're just going to hit remove, like this. Okay, so this is just one simple thing. It's going in bathrooms, and I'm going to hit upload images. Don't worry about hitting scale images to max width and height. I've already done this for you. So every picture in that folder has already been resized. So just hit upload images, and it's going to be a red bar that comes up. The screen is going to flash once, it's going to refresh, and then it's going to create an automatic thumbnail. And then when it's done, you're going to see a little yellow box up here that says one picture successfully added. So that's for adding existing or pictures, your new pictures to an existing gallery. What you may want to do when you're done uploading an image is to create another folder on your desktop called uploaded and just move that image over. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it uploaded. Okay. So what that means is, this is just to save some confusion because you've got a lot of images you're working through here, is I'm just going to move this second floor bathroom photo, because I've already uploaded it, I'm going to move it over here. So it's no longer in here. I can't upload it twice. It's not going to show up twice on the website. That might be just an organizational thing for you. You don't have to do that, but go ahead if you like. So that's just to add to an existing gallery, so you can work your way through what we've got here already. Custom cabinets, I don't know, I know there's a bunch of photos in here that I'm sure are custom cabinetry, so I really don't want to take up or start doing this automatically here. I want you to do it because you know what goes where. But what I am going to show you how to do is create a new gallery. So to create a new gallery, you're gonna, these little blue buttons here are a whole bunch of different things that you can do. So one of them is called add new gallery. It's right here. So we're going to click on that, and I'm just going to add one right now called law firm, because I know you've got some stuff from a law, or you know what, I'll just do, yeah, a law firm, sure, and hit add gallery. When the page resets, it'll say gallery ID 10 successfully created. You can show this gallery in your poster page with the short code. Okay, so now if you go to choose gallery, you'll see 10 is law firm. It's right there. So say I want to add the law firm pictures. You do the same thing. You just go back to your new folder here, and you grab a bunch of these. I mean, you can go ahead and hold the control button, and you can pretty much custom select everything that you want to select or deselect it. I've shown you how to do that before. Whoops. Whoa. Okay. So I'm going to grab these here. I'm going to drag them into that little section. You'll see the little, you should see a little plus icon or something show up beside the mouse. But anyways, you see that they're all lined up. Law firm. Okay, so we're going to upload images. So it's going to go ahead and upload each of these images. And when it's done, it's going to refresh, and it's going to quickly create new thumbnails. So when that's all done, so that's basically how you create a new gallery, and that's how you add images to that gallery. So I'm going to delete this by the time you actually see this video, so you can start fresh from where we left off. But once you have the gallery here, it needs to show up on the gallery page, which is part of these boxes here. And if you've added images to a gallery, like say for instance we added that one bathroom image, if I were to refresh this page, you should see that that image has been loaded now. So if I were to go ahead and click on the bathrooms, I should see, yes, there it is. So it's automatic if you add it to a gallery. But if you create a new gallery, you need to there's a way to add that gallery to this page. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So galleries 1 to 9 are currently on your website. Gallery 10, called Law Firm, is not on your website. To do that, you go to Pages, and you click on Custom Kitchens, Dressing Room, Bars and Wall Units. And here you're going to have to just click and make sure the cursor is blinking in this little editor here, like your email editor, and then hit Control A. And you're going to see please select gallery, and you're going to see in brackets justified image grid and a whole bunch of stuff, and then another bracket at the end. If you go to the website right now, what you're seeing here is showing up here. Okay? So please select gallery is pretty straightforward. You can see what that says. Everything between this bracket and that bracket right there is what's called a shortcode, and it's a plugin that's activated to show all of this stuff right here. So what we need to do is we need to modify this little plugin. So you're going to highlight just this. You're going to copy it. So right click, copy. And you see this little purple box here that looks like it's a little mini gallery? That's the little button that you're going to click on to edit this. So when you click on that once, this justified image grid is what this is right here. This is a plugin that makes your images nice and fancy, and it loads all your galleries for you. It's a plugin. So what you're going to do is you don't want to create a new shortcode. You don't want to create a new gallery. What you want to do is you want to edit the existing one. So that's why I had you copy and paste that. So you're going to paste it in here like that, and you'll see automatically that everything changed in here and these numbers popped up, because what it's doing is all these settings are for the existing settings. Now what you want to do is, there's a whole bunch of these tabs here. Just go to Next Gen right here, and album ID, Poetry Portfolio. Oh shoot, that's right. Okay, I messed up. We've got something else we got to do quickly. So exit this, go to Gallery down here. We forgot to add the Law Firm gallery to the album. So you're going to click on Album down here in the Gallery section. And what you want to do is select this album here and drag it over here. Sorry, you're going to hit plus. What's going on here? Oh, select album. Okay. There we go. So when you get to this page, Gallery, Album, you want to go up here in this top left corner, and you want to select Poetry Portfolio. The page is going to load, and you're going to see that these are all the mini galleries inside this album. So you've got bathrooms, kitchens, cabinets, converted staircases, etc. You just want to click on Law Firm and drag it into Album 1 Poetry Portfolio. Okay, so now you have just added the Law Firm gallery to this album. Okay, when you're done, you're going to hit the blue update button. It's right here. And by the way, Dad, if you feel like you're getting behind, feel free to pause this video. You can use a little YouTube scrubber at the bottom to scrub back and to play back some things for you. So there's no rush. It's not like you need to keep up with me. So anyways, hit update. When that's done, it'll say update successfully. Now we're going to go to Pages. We're going to go to Custom Kitchens, Dressing Rooms, Bars, and Wall Units. You're going to make sure the cursor's in there. You're going to highlight all so you can see the white. And you're just going to copy this little section in brackets. So right click, copy. You're going to press on this Justified Image Grid plugin button, this little purple guy. This little window is going to show up. You're going to paste that little shortcode right in here. Okay, you're going to wait for it to change. Just click on one of these fields down here once you pasted it, and it'll automatically update. And now you're going to go to Next Gen, Poetry Portfolio. Wow, you know what? I think you don't even need to do any of these steps. I think you just need to hit Update. And refresh the page. Wow, there you go. Law firm. There you go. Okay, so Dad, I want you to ignore everything to do with this page thing. You don't even have to worry about that. I just want you to focus on gallery and adding images, creating a gallery, adding the images, and then, if that makes sense, click on the album button, and then you can add it to the album Poetry Portfolio. So you got to go over here, you got to hit Poetry Portfolio, it'll refresh, and then you've got to make your new gallery, bring it over here into Law Firm. I really don't want this to be too complicated for you, so hopefully you can do it. If you really do have trouble tonight, first thing tomorrow morning, I will make sure I get on this. Okay? But if you have any questions, you know, you can shoot me a text. I'll try and help you when I'm in the movie. But I think you should be okay. It's not too complicated. Just ignore the whole thing with the pages. You don't need to worry about that. I apologize. The reason you don't have to pay attention to the page section here is because the shortcode's already set to look at this album. So if you add it to the album, that's it. It's automatically going to add it because it's now part of the album. So it's right here, Law Firm. So I'm going to go ahead and delete Law Firm. So when you look at this video, you're not going to see Law Firm. But that's how you add the gallery, and that's how you add pictures. Okay? All right. Good luck. Thanks, Dad. Love you.